guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new on my channel, I am so funny admin. Welcome to my channel. Don't mind my hair, I know it's not cute, so don't laugh at me. I am learning how to install my own frontal, and I know some of you might like it. Of course, I have videos on this hair in full detail, so stay tuned for that. I'm dropping them soon. I don't really like, oh wait, I like the hair, but I don't really like how I installed it, you know. Anyways, well, I'm going to do something to it later, so right now let's focusing on the face, okay? Well, this product I'm using, I always use it over and over, so you guys already know what I'm using. This is Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation plus concealer. I'm going to prime my eyes with, and I'm going to blend it with a sponge, and I'll be right back. So now I'm back. I'm going in with this Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette, and oh no, before that, hold on. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh my god, what's the palette I used before? I think this one. Oh, I think it's this one. So next I'm going to use this palette, and I'm going in with this chocolate color right here. So I've been sick, as you guys can see and hear my voice change. Oh, thank God, I'm fine right now. I had a terrible week. I couldn't even breathe, sleep, talk, even swallow. Even I was away for 2 weeks, I still upload it for you guys because I always have extra videos in case something like that happened. And thank you, Jesus, I'm okay right now. Yes, thank you, Lord. Thank you, Jesus. So while I was away, I made some really nice videos for y'all. Y'all gonna love them, so stay tuned for that, boo. I love y'all so much. So right now we're going in with this Juvia's Place palette, and I am gonna go in with this color right here. If you follow me on Snapchat, you already know what I've been up to. If you haven't followed me on Snapchat and Instagram, go ahead and do so, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell to be first notified when I upload a video. So I post videos every week, so you don't want to miss that. So right now I'm going in with this shimmer right here. Oh wait, I am also back with some new products and brushes. Well, I am using them right now, so y'all see them. I love these brushes. These brushes are so soft. I get them from AliExpress, you guys. These are so amazing. I love it. I cannot wait to show you guys what I bought. These lashes are breathtaking. I love these lashes, like. And I also bought a new blush, so I'm gonna show you guys the new blush. Give me 1 minute, girl. So I bought this new blush. What's the name? So I bought this new blush right here called Mellow from a brand named Mellow. This is my first time buying from them, and I am impressed. They have some really good products on the website. I love everything. Alright, so now from the same palette, I'm going in with this gold, this shimmer gold right here. And I'm gonna place this right in front of that. Now I'm gonna go in with this eyeshadow palette called LA Colors, and I'm gonna take this shimmer mint green right here. I love these colors, you guys. I'm making a connection. Okay. Let's see what's going on. I love these eyeshadows. These are really cute. I don't know why I'm using so many eyeshadow palettes, but anyways, this is the look I want. So next I'm gonna go in with this small eyeshadow palette right here, and I am taking this pink right here. It's just to blend the edges. You see how harsh the eyeshadow look? I just wanna blend the edges. Just pat this little pink on the edges. Yeah, I'm just patting this little pink color on the edges. And I'm just gonna blend it out. I haven't tried the blush yet, but the way I'm looking at it, oh, it looks amazing. And I know it's gonna be good. I wanted to try it in front of you guys so you guys can see my real reaction. So I'm gonna do my wing liner. My color hue. I know the wing liner doesn't look good right now, so we can fix that later. And yes, let's let it dry. And yeah, I am loving the eyes. I'm going to use this glitter glue, and I'm going to put that on my eyelid. And you already know, before applying any glitter, these are must-have, and you have to spray this little eyeshadow applicator. I'm going to use these gold glitter right here, and I'm just gonna place somewhere just like this. And here's the lashes I bought. These are the lashes I'm going to use for today. Oh my god, I am loving these lashes. I didn't like them the first time. I was planning on giving them away, but sis, before I give something away I always give them a second try or a third try before I give them away. But these are bomb. I like it. These lashes are so cute, y'all. This look is coming together. Yes, this look is coming together. I am so happy. Ooh, oh, okay. They're not too small. They're not too big. I can see my eyeshadow, and they have space in between. Girl, I love these lashes. I think it's really cute. What do you guys think? Because I like it. I was just thinking to give them away. I was like, let me give this a second try. And boom. Okay. These lashes are so cute. I love these lashes. I'm in love. Oh my god. Okay. So now let's just this look real quick. It's like 3 in the morning right now, and I'm trying to go to sleep. So for foundation, you already know I am going to use Juvia's Place foundation. Of course, these are my 2 favorite foundation in the world. This is Juvia's Place Legos, and this is my Lowry. Let's go ahead and blend this foundation in. This is so beautiful, you guys. I love it. Yeah, I need some new concealer because I use these too much. So next I'm going in with this Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation plus concealer in color caramel. So I'm going to highlight underneath my eye with this concealer. So I'm gonna tell you guys the full details about the new blush that I bought from Mellow Cosmetics. So I'm gonna tell you guys later. Ah, I don't even look like myself, do I? I love this. So y'all already know this is one of my favorite setting powder, Juvia's Place setting powder in called Kalahari. This is so good. This powder is so good, you guys. I love this. Be honest, y'all. Do I look like myself? Exactly. I don't. Oh my god. I love this. Okay, now let's contour, girl. Again, I can find my contour cream, so I'm going to use this contour palette. And I'm just going to contour it. I don't care. At this point, I don't really care no more because my look is coming together, honey. So I'm going to use my new Mellow blush. So I'm going to give you guys full detail about this blush at the end of this video. And yeah, so let's just use this blush. I like it. I love this. Okay, Mellow. This is so beautiful. I love this. Wow. This look is really coming together, you guys. I love this. Alright, today I want to use my Fenty Beauty highlighter. I'll be right back. So now I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty highlighter. It's been so long since I used this highlighter, and I have this in Trophy Wife. So for my lips, I'm going to use this Juvia's Place matte lipstick. It's a black lipstick. I think it's a black one. Yeah, it's a black matte lipstick. Called Doo Doo. Doo Doo. Yeah, called Doo Doo. Yeah. And ouch, I haven't used it yet. So let's go with this lipstick, honey. It's a black lipstick. I haven't do a black lip in a long time, and I think this is my second time using black on my lip. So let's see how it looks. So I bought this beautiful blush from Mellow Cosmetic, and this is my favorite blush for right now. They have some good products on their website, and I love everything, you guys. You guys gonna see how this blush look. I have this blush on right now. It looks so beautiful on my cheeks right now, and I love it. If you need any products from them, I'm gonna leave my link down below so you guys can purchase, and you will receive a 15% off discount on your items. So yes, feel free to use my link for some money, oh sis. Alright, you guys, this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. If you do, please leave me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends, family, neighbors, strangers, anybody. And I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching.